everyone, welcome to Kian Technology. Today I am presenting toy rental and e-commerce platform called it is also known as Toy Cycle. This platform is designed to solve a common problem where children quickly get a bored and toy the buying new toy and repeatedly because expensive and create clusters. So instead buying every time system allows rent, play, swap, revenue, toy and easily. So if I talk about how it works, this platform provides a simple, smooth and user flow. User can board toy in different categories. They can rent or purchase toy. They can also swap a toy after use and manage their orders easily. And they are also very helpful for children. We can easily purchase the toy, rent the toy, and so this is logged in page. The role based system, the system is three main dashboard on user role, like owner, user and admin. Owner manage toy inventory and user browser and rent toy. Control the monitor entire the admin control the monitor and entire toy system. Like this is owner dashboard. We can easily check the dashboard. This is my toy. We can easily add the toy, add, edit and delete the toy. We can easily save the data, and this is delete data. We can also confirmation pop-up create and analyze the overall earning, average yield, rate status and total cycle. This is a earning chart and top performance. This is setting. We can easily change the data and best where people to notify notification system, pickup delivery, swap delivery, and this is display profile, payment details, and that is very helpful for use user on a dashboard. You can easily logged out in this page, and if I talk about the user page, so this is user page. You can log in, so you can easily rent now by the detail, fill the detail, all options and payment details. Now you can cross the data, like they are very good. So you can add the favorite list. This is also very important feature. It is so we can easily buy the buy the toy. We can fill the data, and this is also platform like e-commerce website, and there are my card homepage. So you know homepage, what is homepage, and this is my wait list. There is a wait list. This is my chart, menu, swapping request, order tracking, subscription plan is also available in here, and deposit and protection up. They are only UI. So this is notification section, and there is also admin section, like total inventory, live rentals, platform share and maintenance. User can use which user is helpful, which user is block the data. You can easily like this, and how many owners are available in here. You can also see admin can handle overall toy rental platform. We can easily search rental order also available in here. This is swapping request menu. This is payment request menu. You can easily check the payment, pending payment, and overall data, export data, also download, and plate. It is platform analysis, and this is setting system. So thank you so much for available here, and that's all for my side. Thank you so much.